display types of date in different color.
Teal and green, wood and yellow.
Yeah, I think that you can do that, right?
Yeah, so just control shift and then highlight cell rules,
Text
text
that
that
contains. Yeah,
contains.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And you can give the color as you want.
Yeah.
So this is simple.
We already had yellow. Okay. Yellow. Okay. So I think this one also I can highlight the design type in a different color.
My
Different color.
Excel
Okay.
also. Okay, I will leave the meeting from here.
Yeah.
Um, is it saying ends? Leave meeting. Assign host. Assign. Yeah. Now it's good.
Yeah.
Okay. So other one was highlight the design type in different.
Yeah. This is fine. I can do this on my own.
Okay.
Design
Highlight
type as in this one
design type. Yeah, flying and sit down and other things.
in
This is
different
design
colors.
types. Yeah.
Okay.
Then highlight the year opened below
Below
or
or
equal
equals
to
to 2000
2000 in yellow color, above 2000 in green
in
color.
green colors.
Where is that opened? Okay, this also you can do. Highlight cell rules greater than and less than.
Open, so here, right?
Yeah, control shift down arrow and we'll take less than rule is there.
Yeah, less than is there.
Yeah, and greater than is there, but
Yeah.
it wants greater than equal to, right?
Yeah.
Or equal to. So yesterday we did the
We had
same thing. We'll use the
done
equal to
something.
rule also. Equal to rule also and put the same color there.
Okay.
2000 we can take equal to 2000 and you can take which color they want,
Yellow.
yellow. So and for greater than also we'll put the same rule.
Mm-hmm.
Highlight cell rules greater than and 2000 again and yellow color only. Color yellow only. Second one. Yep. And then we can say less than wala. Right? Acha. Sorry, we did it bad. Less than or this was yellow. Above was in 2000 in green color.
Oh, okay. So I think greater than is green color.
Yes. So what you do is you can yeah no. We should actually modify the rule which is already there. Otherwise it will conflict.
Okay. Then,
Okay. We can go to conditional formatting, manage rules, right? And here we have greater than rule. Select that greater than rule, pehla wala, and say edit and just change the color to green.
mm,
Format, choose a green color. Yes, and say okay.
it
Say okay.
hasn't changed.
We have changed the font color only.
Oh.
Go to format, take the fill color.
Okay, okay. Right.
Okay, and then say okay, and then say okay. Now it's good.
Ah. Oh.
It covered the font. So
It,
font we have to go and make white. Same rule.
yeah, yeah.
We'll manage and give the font color white because both became green actually. So
Black.
black would also do. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. And
Display speed with roller
less
coaster.
than is yellow color that you can anyways do. In the same rule, we need less than with yellow
Mm.
color.
Mm-hmm. That's why we did
This
equal to, like
yeah, that time
2000.
we did equal to, but we also need less than in the yellow color only.
Okay.
Okay?
So, तो इसलिए
Control
2000 in yellow.
yeah, control shift down arrow, select everything. Yep. Condition formatting, less than rule, and we will say 2000 and we'll say yellow again. Yes, it's done. So 2000 and less than 2000 we have done.
Hmm.
Display speed of roller coaster in data bar for that is simple. Speed you
Speed
select
of
and just
roller
select the
coaster.
data bars.
Data bar is
इस कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग में ही जाएंगे ना 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 ना
oh अच्छा
कंडीशनल
अच्छा अच्छा
फॉर्मेट.
okay right data bar correct हाँ
Yes, yes. Choose the color which you
anything
like.
yeah
Okay. So you can say save and it's done. So thank you friends for watching this video. वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया. अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. अगर आप मुझसे यानी संजय सिंह से एक्सेल सीखना चाहते हैं तो हमने ये लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. आप उसको क्लिक करें और हमारी कम्युनिटी को ज्वाइन करें. वहाँ से आप एक्सेल की क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और एक्सेल सीख सकते हैं. एक्सेल में एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हैं. एक्सेल के अलावा पावर बीआई पावर क्वेरी की भी क्लासेस होती हैं. उन सबको आप ज्वाइन करके और उनको सीख सकते हैं और एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ और इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.